You purchase this book. This book would be
Essential grammar in use.
Okay, okay.
purchase this book. This book is designed especially for the beginners. This
Okay,
book.
Rahmat Bhakti. I think I have a PDF
I don't know.
according to. Yes, yes. Okay. So yes,
Rajini,
sir.
Rajini
Yes.
Devi ji, Rajini Devi ji, nice to see you in the morning. Great,
Uh,
great to see you.
okay, nice to meet you, sir. So
That-
good morning, first of all. And we are meeting first time, so please give me some introduce yourself.
Well, I hate telling myself, but you ask me, what do you want to know? I'll answer your questions, all of your questions. But actually, I would say, as you know, as everybody knows, I'm Arif Auto, a
Okay.
YouTuber, a
Yes.
trainer, a learner,
No,
lots of.
actually, no, actually, sir, I am not a trainer because I am also learner
Yes, you
because
are a
I am
learner.
learning English. Yes,
Wow, wow, that's great. And where are you from, Rajini
I'm
Devi ji? Where are
from
you from?
I am from Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh.
Yes,
I see, absolutely. And that as far as I know, that you are a housewife. You are a housewife.
yes, yes, sir. I am housewife.
I see, I see. I impressed by your videos. You post, you post. I saw your videos on YouTube you sent me earlier. Do you
Yes,
remember?
yes, yes.
I
Actually,
see.
sir, please let me know how's my video because these times I am very worried about my YouTube channels because these times my view is not coming good. So that's why I am little worried about my YouTube channels. Hello,
Hello.
hello, hello.
Yeah, please repeat. Pardon me. Please
Actually,
pardon.
sir, I am little worried about my YouTube channel because
Okay.
my view these times my YouTube channel is running not good.
I see. I see.
Yes.
I see. I see. So ask me, how may I help you? I'm here to help you. You can ask me what you want to know. I'll try my best to help you out. Except
Okay,
YouTube. I
okay.
don't know. I don't know anything about YouTube, but you can ask me related to your English or English
Okay.
grammar. That's
Okay,
great.
okay,
I
of
could
course.
help you. Yeah.
Okay, okay, I know. Actually, sir, I can speak English well.
Mhm.
Sometimes I get stuck because of my vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
Yes,
Vocabulary.
vocabulary. Because
Okay.
I don't have more much vocabulary, so that's
Yeah.
why I get stuck while speaking English. So please,
I
can you give me some tips for improving vocabulary?
read. Read, Madam Rajini. Read. Do you read or you do not? Do
No,
you read?
actually, I don't like reading. I'm not fond of reading the books, newspapers, so etc. So that's why I think sometimes I feel so that's why I am getting stuck while speaking English because of my vocabulary.
Why you don't like reading? What's the problem? Why you hate reading? Why you are not fond of reading? What's the problem? Tell me.
Actually, yeah, because when I start reading, so that times I get bored.
Okay.
I
Then
don't know why.
don't read that much. Read 10 minutes a day.
Okay.
Do not read more than 10 minutes, even a 1 second up. Read 10 minutes a day. And within a 10 minute, give your full attention. And
Okay.
within a 10 minute, whatever you found, read and try to
Okay.
grab that particular. Don't read more than 10 minutes. Don't read. Believe me, your vocabulary will be improved. Look, I don't know what others says, but what I'm saying to you, listen to me. Reading will help you a lot, not only your vocabulary, but it will enhance your speaking too, Madam Rajini. Reading is
Okay.
very essential part in order to
Okay.
get, in order to be fluent in English, in spoken English.
Exactly.
Reading is very important. It is
Oh,
very, very essential, Madam Rajini.
okay. Okay.
What's
Okay.
your purpose? Why you are learning English? Tell me the
Yes.
purpose.
Yes, actually, sir, speaking English was my passion since school days. So that times
Wow,
I couldn't learn English because of some reason.
I
So
see.
after getting married, I had a mobile as a device. So then I started using mobile phone, and then I started learning grammar portion.
I
Not
see.
the
I see.
spoken, only grammar portion. So that times
Mm,
I learned lots of things
I see.
related to grammars. But
I
when it
see.
comes to speak English with other persons, so that times I couldn't speak English.
I see. I see.
So then I realized I should have the more much practice
Yeah.
because I needed more much practice. So then I will be perfect in my spoken English. So then I started using because there are so many applications on Google Play Store, you know very well. So then I started using one application. So that's how I started speaking.
I see.
Yes.
That's great. It takes
Yes.
time, madam. It takes time. Don't
Okay.
get frustrated. Don't depress. It takes time. It
Okay.
will take minimum 6 months. It will take minimum 6 months. But
Okay. Okay.
for that, if you want the result, then you will have to speak at least half an hour and read 10 minutes. Read
Okay.
10 minutes. Follow
Okay.
this step. Forget everything. Read 10
Okay.
minutes and speak at least half an hour a day. That's enough.
Okay.
You will
Okay.
get the result. You will get the result gradually. Suddenly, you will not get the result. It will take time, but definitely, I'm 100% sure that you will definitely get the result.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
I see. I see. And what's the purpose of uploading YouTube videos on YouTube? What's the purpose?
Ac- Yes, actually, sir, I want to earn the money through online. Actually, all the movements has a this kind of this purpose. So that's why. Actually, I have been creating this my channels for 1 year ago. So when I started you creating this channel, so that times yes,
Well, I created, not I created this channel 1 year ago.
I
I
have
cre-
been.
no, I created this channel 1 year ago. You created this channel. I
Okay,
created
yes,
one
yes.
year ago. I created this channel 1 year ago. You don't say I have been or I have created. No, I created this channel 1 year ago.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Thank you for guiding me. And
yeah, yeah.
I think
Okay.
yes. So actually, I have created these channels. I have,
No,
I had.
listen.
Sorry, sir.
Action.
I created.
Look, action happened exactly 1 year ago. Action happened
Yes.
exactly 1 year ago, and you are telling me when the action happened 1 year ago exactly. So
Oh,
we use the simple past. I created this channel 1 year ago. Suppose this is the
okay.
first condition, and the second condition, just you are not telling me the time, and just you have done something that I have created my YouTube channel, but you are not telling my then when exactly you create it.
Oh,
So
yes, yes.
at that particular scenario, we say, I have created my channel. I have eaten my breakfast. I have taken my bath.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Are you getting?
exactly, sir. I know.
Yeah.
Yes, but sometimes I get stuck, because
Then
while speaking
practice.
English, yes, yeah, practice is very necessary. So yes,
Okay.
I created these channels for 1 year ago, and
Yeah.
then I give the only introductions, how to
I see.
improve our communication skill with the help of English structures.
Okay.
So after watching some videos as Alina ma'ams and the Dehati ma'ams, and then I decided I should have the made the video something like this.
I see.
So then I started, and after uploading that video, I got received one message, ma'am, you should make the video kind of this. So then I started.
I see. I see. So
Yes,
watching other created, you decided I should make this type of video. I should create this type
yes.
of conversation video. That's great. Absolutely, absolutely.
Yes, because I wanted to make the video kind of this, I think category as a content, because when I uploaded the video kind of this, because how to improve our communication skill with the help of structures. So that times, seriously, I couldn't speak English
Okay, okay,
single. I
okay.
think some sentence I was able to speak,
I
but
see,
I couldn't speak very well. So
I
then
see.
so that times I was very worried about my
I
spoken English, because I
Yeah.
should have more much practice. Or then
Mm-hmm.
I started making the video kind of this, and that's how my fluently, not fluently, because my speaking way
Mm-hmm.
is
Okay.
started increasing.
I see. Wow. Wow.
So then, because recently I have taken this, session
I see.
recently. So I think, according to me, this session is very good for me,
Which session? Which
because
session
this
you're
is a Skype application.
Okay, okay. These type of these sessions. Yeah, this is very
Yes,
good for
yes,
you. You are telling me. I see.
yes,
It helped you. It helps
yes,
you. It
exactly.
helped you, and it's helping you to enhance your English.
Yes, yes,
That's
yes.
great. That's
Actually,
that's
sir, I feel something like this. I am getting better in my
Yes,
spoken.
absolutely. Wow, you
Yes.
are speaking very good English, madam. You
No,
are
actually,
speaking.
seriously. Sir,
Look,
actually, because I feel I am not good, because sometimes I get stuck.
look, we all are trying. This is not our mother tongue. We all are trying. And you are
Yes.
speaking very good. You are understanding me. You are giving me the answers. Whatever
Okay.
answers you are giving me, I am getting 110%. Although you are making minor mistakes as well in between, but this is
Okay.
acceptable. This is acceptable. You are speaking very
Okay.
good English. You work a little bit more hard. Then you speak
Okay.
correct English. That's not a big
Okay.
deal. We all
Okay.
are trying. Don't think that I'm making mistake. This is normal.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir, for appreciating me.
you are speaking very good. Okay, then what's your plan today, madam? What's your plan after meeting, after our conversation? What's your plan? What will you do? What's your
Okay.
future plan as well? Tell me.
Okay. Actually, sir, this time's my focus only my improving English, because
I
I
see.
want to be fluent in English. I want to be perfect.
Okay, but why?
Actually, sir, I think as I mentioned you, because speaking English was my passion since school days.
Wow, wow. That's it. You are faced.
Yes,
You are pursuing your passion only. That's nothing. You are pursuing your
yes,
passion only.
yes. And another thing I have, because I am homemaker, housewife, and I
Yeah,
want to teach my child.
I see. How
Yes.
many children do you have? How many
Actually,
children
sir,
do
this times I don't have any child yet, but in
I
the
see?
future.
Inshallah, inshallah. May Allah give you.
Yes.
Definitely, definitely. What's your
Yes.
husband does, madam? If you don't mind, I'm asking this
Okay,
question.
it's okay. Don't worry. Actually, my
Yeah.
husband is a government employee. He's a
Wow.
policeman. Yes.
Oh, that's great. That's
Yes.
great. In Himachal Pradesh. In Himachal
No,
Pradesh.
actually, sir, my native place in the Himachal, but I got married in Jammu.
I see. So you are in Jammu right now.
No, this time I have been staying in Jammu, sorry,
I,
Himachal, but I got married in Jammu.
I
Because this
see.
time I came here
I
in my
see.
native city. Yes.
Okay, how far this distance between Jammu and Himachal Pradesh? What's the distance?
Actually, yes. Actually, sir, where I live nearby, last part of Himachal.
Okay,
And
okay,
next part, border of Jammu and border of Punjab.
okay.
I think it's far. I think from my area where I live. I
Yeah,
think yes. I think 60 kilometer. I think
60. That's great. That's not too
yes,
much far. And
yes.
accept English. What do you like to do? What do you do? What do you like to do? Accept English learning.
Okay,
Accept, yeah,
okay.
accept making videos. What do you do in your spare time?
But actually, because such when I get free, so that times I talk with others.
Uh-huh.
women's, and I watch English. I watch YouTube channels, YouTube videos,
I
and
see.
then I get free. So that times I decided I should go outside.
I see. I
So
see.
yeah,
Look, do you understand Hindi? Can you read
yes,
Hindi?
yes, of
I
course I
I
know.
would like I would like to recommend you one book. You are a beginner. I would like to recommend you one fantastic book. Hang on there. I'll show you.
Okay, okay.
You purchase this book. This book would
Essential
be
grammar in
yeah.
use. Okay, okay.
Purchase
Diamond.
this book.
But okay,
This book is designed especially for the beginners. This
okay,
book.
Raymond Murphy. I think I have a PDF
You- I don't know.
according
I don't.
this book.
This is the translated in Hindi, and it is very easy to understand. I am recommending this book to all the beginners who is in
Okay,
their
okay,
starting stage of English. This book is very good. Believe me, this is the
okay,
fantastic. This book, as well as Rapidex Spoken English book. These two books I recommend all my beginner students. This is the
oh,
fantastic book.
okay,
You know,
okay, okay. I will,
yeah,
I will chase. I think
yeah,
I will check first of all, and because I think I have a PDF related to this book.
really. But
Yes,
do
of
you
course.
do you prefer reading on mobile phone? I hate. I do not prefer reading on a small mobile screen. I like
O-
the that physical book. I enjoy in a physical book. I
Okay,
like.
okay,
Yeah.
okay,
And as I told you, read 10 minutes. I know that
okay,
you hate reading, so read 10 minutes only. Don't read
okay,
more than 10 minutes in initial stage. Once you get
okay,
habitual, then you could increase your reading time 10 to 15 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes. But initially, set your alarm and read 10 minutes. Do not read more than 10 minutes. Okay?
okay, okay.
Then, madam,